Formiga is a municipality in Centro-Oeste Minas Gerais state, Brazil. The population of the municipality in 2007 is 64,585. The area of the municipality is 1,504 square kilometers. It is located in the statistical meso-region of Centro-Oeste de Minas and the statistical micro-region of Formiga. It was founded in 1839. Statistical micro-region. Formiga is a statistical micro-region containing municipalities: Arcos, Camacho, Carrego Fundo, Formiga, Itapecerica, Paines, Pedro-do-Inda, and Pimenta. In 2000, the population of this area was 144,506 in an area of 4,577.20 square kilometers. The population density in 2000 was 31.57 inhab per square kilometer. Location and municipal boundaries. Formiga is located at an elevation of 841 meters just off Highway MGO50. Neighboring municipalities are Paines, Carrego Fundo, Arcos, and Japaraíba, Pedro-do-Inda, Itapecerica, Camacho, Candeias, Criste, and Guapé, and Pimenta. Communications. Formiga is linked to Belo Horizonte by MGO50 and lies 2 kilometers south of the highway junction. There is also a railroad line carrying freight. The closest point on the Furnas Reservoir is 25 kilometers to the southwest. Distances to other cities: Divinopolis, 76 kilometers. Bom Despacho, 110 kilometers. Lavras, 115 kilometers. Arcos, 26 kilometers. Belo Horizonte, 194 kilometers. Rio de Janeiro, 545 kilometers. São Paulo, 470 kilometers. Brasilia, 812 kilometers. Weather. Average annual temperature, 21.3 C. Maximum annual temperature, 26.2 C. Minimum annual temperature, 15.1 C. Average annual rainfall index, 1.40 millimeters. Main rivers: Rio Formiga, Rio Mato Cavalo, Rio Pouso Alegre, and Furnas Reservoir. Formiga is located in the Grande River Basin. Economy. Services, light industry, and agriculture are the most important economic activities. In 2004 there were 2,481 enterprises, of which the majority were concentrated in the commerce sector, vehicle repair, and sales of personal and domestic objects. The GDP in 2005 was approximately 474 million reals, 44 million reals from taxes, 311 million reais from services, 67 million reais from industry, and 50 million reais from agriculture. There were 1,865 rural producers on 77,000 hectares of land. 229 farms had tractors. Approximately 5,600 persons were employed in agriculture. The main crops are coffee, beans, soybeans, rice, sugarcane, and corn. There were 69,000 head of cattle. Poultry raising was also substantial, with 200 head in 2006. There were 7 banks. The motor vehicle fleet had 13,066 automobiles, 1,281 trucks, 1,255 pickup trucks, and 5,894 motorcycles. The ratio of inhabitant per motor vehicle was 3 vehicles per inhabitant. Working population by sector: transformation industries, 4,368 workers. Construction, 974 workers. Commerce, 4,612 workers. Lodging and restaurants, 339 workers. transport, storage, communications, 730 workers, public administration, 1,694 workers, health and social services, 512 workers, health and education. In the health sector there were 31 public health clinics and 2 private hospitals with 116 beds. Patients with more serious health conditions are transported to Divinopolis. Educational needs of 13,800 students were met by 30 primary schools, 8 middle schools, and 25 pre-primary schools. The private university UNIPAC has a campus in the city offering 19 undergraduate courses and 3 postgraduate courses. Formiga has 1 institute of higher learning, the Centro Universitario de Formiga UNIFORMG, are offering 17 majors. Municipal Human Development Index, 0.793. State ranking, 65 out of 853 municipalities as of 2000. National ranking, 736 out of 5,138 municipalities as of 2000. Literacy rate, 91%. Life expectancy, 74. In 2000 the per capita monthly income of 254 reals was below the state and national average of 276 reals and 297 reals respectively. Pocos de Caldas had the highest per capita monthly income in 2000 with 435 reals. The lowest was Setarbina with 73 reals. The highest-ranking municipality in Minas Gerais in 2000 was Pocos de Caldas with 0.841, while the lowest was Setarbina with 0.568. Nationally the highest was São Caetano do Sul in São Paulo with 0.919, while the lowest was Setarbina. In more recent statistics, Manari in the state of Pernambuco has the lowest rating in the country, 467, putting it in last place. Tourism. In recent years, due to the proximity of the Furnas Reservoir, tourism has grown substantially. Furnas is an artificial lake fed by the Rio Grande and Sapucaí rivers and has an area of more than 1,400 square kilometers. It is so big, the largest in Brazil when it was built in the 1960s, that it is called the Sea of Minas Gerais. According to the city government site, the city had 7 hotels. Notable people: Marcelo Garcia,